Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make cover photo private on Facebook. Now I am provide 100% working method, so follow my all process very carefully. First of all, open Facebook, click on to profile to select upload photo. Okay, press on to save. Refresh. Look here, now I am already upload my cover photo, and this same image upload again to upload photo. You need to first same image upload 2 times. So look here, now I am upload same image 2 times. After that, click on to photo option, click on to album, select cover photo. Now showing here to 2 same photo, click on the second, tap on to 3 dot, and then showing here to edit privacy. You need to just select only me, press on to done, and delete the first image. Okay, and now check. Look here, my cover photo is private. So that's it, that's how you can do it.